Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to get access and use ChatGPT 4 inside Bing Chat. Alright, so a lot of people don't know, but if you just open up Bing Chat and start asking questions, you're not gonna be able to get answers and responses from ChatGPT 4, but by default you get replies and responses from ChatGPT 3.5, which is the original ChatGPT model, but the GPT-4 model or ChatGPT 4 model is way better, and here's how to get access and use it. So all you have to do is open up bing.com and click on the chat icon instead of doing a regular search, and this will open up the AI Bing Chat. Of course, you have to use a Microsoft Edge browser. There is also a workaround for this if you want to use Google Chrome. I have another tutorial on my channel where I show you how to use the AI Bing Chat in Google Chrome or Safari or Firefox. And once you have opened up the Bing Chat, all you have to do is scroll down, and as you can see there is this conversation style, and this is very important because if you want to get responses and replies from ChatGPT 4, then you have to either use the more creative option or the more precise options. And in this case you will get replies from the ChatGPT 4 model. So let's make an example. Let's ask Bing Chat to make us a list of online money making methods using the more creative ChatGPT 4 model. So as you can see, it's not that fast, but we're still gonna get some great responses, hopefully. So as you can see, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and as you can see, you can also check out the sources it has used. So in all, this is how to get access and use GPT-4 or ChatGPT 4 inside the AI Bing Chat.